In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Lovable AI pages. To do that, you first need to head over right here into Lovable's site and then visit the site that has that image that you want. I have right here this image, so for this case, I'll just copy the URL right here and then head back right here into our Lovable. Once you have it, you can actually upload it to GitHub. So your GitHub project is connected to your Lovable, so you can get it right there. You can just copy the image path and input that onto the prompt. So as you can see, I have added right here to add this particular icon to the website, which is the actual URL that I have. Then you can add something more like here for the prompt, or you can just input that actual icon. Once you have inputted that, it will add that actual image right here, and you can see it like this. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down below in the comment section and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks so much for watching.